Welcome to dotcom builders. In this video, I will share with you how to create an About Me section or page in Hostinger website builder. Without any further ado, let's start this tutorial. First, go to hpanel.hostinger.com, log in to your Hostinger account, and click on Websites. Now, next to the website that you want to create a section or next to the website that you want to create an About Me section or new page on, click on Edit Website. This is my website in Hostinger Website Builder, and let's say that I want to edit an About Me section here below this big photo. So click on Add Section, then scroll down to About Me. Where is it? About Me. Yes, this is it. It's called About. Click on it. Select the About Me template that you section. Yes, section. Select the About Me section template that you like from those provided by. Let's go with this one. Click on it. And just like that, your new About Me section is created. If you want to give this new About Me section of a background photo, select it like that, click on Edit Section. Here, switch from color or video to image, and click on Add Image. Here you can pick a photo from your already uploaded image or use free images provided by Pixels service. Click on Add to Image, and just like that, your new section will start using this photo. Since this text is not showing good on top of this photo, let's add a little bit of overlay opacity to this background photo. And for the text, I will turn it to white. Just like that. Same thing for the button. I will jump to the style, fill color, text color, white. For the border color, also white. And now it is better looking. Now let's, and of course, don't forget to update your website to publish your new About Me section. Now let's see how to create an About Me page and not a section. So to create an About Me page, go to Pages. By default, you will be selecting the About, which is good for us. Now select the About Me template that you want and click on it. And just like that, your new page will be created or added. Here, same thing. To edit, let's say that for this header is not showing good because the header is white on top of white text. So select the header like this. Let's go return to the About page. This is it. Select the header, click on Edit Header, and here I think I should jump to the style of the header and disable the transparent header. So this way it will look good. Now to edit this About Me page, you can, for example, call it About Me. You can resize the text using text style like this. You can resize a section height like using this section height feature. You can also duplicate, for example, let's make this longer. You can duplicate text simply from here. Before I continue this tutorial, I want to let you know that you can get access to my online course about Hostinger Website Builder today for free. Inside this course, you will learn many things, including how to get started with Hostinger Website Builder, how to choose and customize your template, how to master page and navigation design, also design pages and add-in content, building specific page types, blogging with Hostinger Builder, create an online store, forms in general, emails and integrations, advanced features and design enhancement, SEO, analytics and tracking tools, backup and cloning maintenance, and also final touches and optimization. To get all of this today for free, plus my other free online courses, which are Google Sites, Google Search Console, Brevo email marketing, Bluehost web hosting, Hostinger web hosting, Hostinger WordPress, and also Hostinger email today for free, simply go to academy.dotcom.builders, link in the description. Without any further ado, let's continue this tutorial. You can duplicate text simply from here. You can adjust the text element width like this. You can add, let's delete this text element and add a photo by adding a image element like this, like this. Now let's place it here. Good. To put your own photo here, select the image element, click on edit image, replace image, and upload your own image from your computer. To add a video, it's simple. Just click on to add a map, for example. This is useful. Click on elements, look for map. This is it. Click on it. Now click on edit map, fill in your address. Let's look, for example, NYC pizza for example. It will view, and this will look in this is the result. You can adjust the map size from here. And after all of this, don't forget to update your website to publish your new About Me section or the new About Me page. You can also, if you don't need a section like this, for example, just select it from here and click on delete. And click on delete. And just like that, this section will be deleted. Let's delete these photos section, just like that, and always update your website. Now let's view my new sections. This is the About Me section, and this is the About Me page. And this is how to create an About Me section or page in Hostinger Website Builder. If you still have a question, leave it in the comments below. And don't forget to give this video a like. Thank you.